Hello, I have been playing around with Nexis Uni, which is a new interface for LexisNexis. LexisNexis is now called Nexis Uni, which I think may be for University Uni. Um, but I'm going to show you an easy way to look up the Fair Housing Act. And so I have been playing around with looking through publications and going about this different ways and getting different versions of the Act from the 1968 version to what currently is in place today. So to make it easier, if you go to get a dot assistance and then use your select content type, go ahead and take this statutes and legislation. And then we want federal. You can see all the different states are listed here, state codes and laws. You can also look up a case by name, party name, or docket number. We're going to get the federal, U.S. federal. And now we're going to go ahead and take, so all of these sources are from the federal government. Now I could look it up by probably the popular name index. I think that's in here. But we're going to go ahead and go with the United States Code. Let's see, where'd that go? Plain. Probably should have just taken the statutes. Here's the popular name table. This is what I'm looking for. United States Code Service here. And now I'm going to put the citation in. And I know that the title for this is 42. And the number is, it can be 3604 or 3601. 01, this will be the first, and then as you go deeper in it, it goes to 4. Let's go ahead and run that. So now you see we've got 42 USCS 3601, and it breaks it down here for United States Code Service, titles 1 through 54. So this is Title 42, which is the Public Health and Welfare, and then you've got Chapter 45, the Fair Housing, and then we're talking about generally. And as you go down through this, it's going to break it away from generally. So as you're going through here, if you click on this right here where it says PL 90-284, that stands for Public Law from the 90th Congress. I think this is either page or section 284, but you can see the date on this is April 11th, 1968. So this is the older version. If I do a right click on it and say open a new tab, then I'm going to go up at the top and click on that. Now I can see the date is enacted here, and I can scroll down. There's a link to the document. And this is the older version from the 1968 public law. And you can see that someone has actually written in it, probably a lawyer, before they scanned this. Okay, so now if I close that and go back to the earlier version, close this, go back to the earlier, remember I clicked on this right here. I could click on this also, statutes. But I want to show you the newer version. So this right here is pretty much it. But if I come over here and look at these dates and click on such act appears generally US CS 3601. Let's see if that's the right year. And it says current through Public Law 11617. Approved 5/10/2019. So this is how it stands today, which is pretty much what we were already looking at. So you've got your short titles here. All of these can be linked. You see it's 1968, 1988 where it changed again. And then if you go down further, you've got other provisions that you might want to look at, read it. Here's some Kate's notes. The purpose, constitutionality, construction, and you've got duties created, neighborhood integration, racial integration, discriminatory effect, unpublished opinions, then miscellaneous. So we've still got a long way to go. More unpublished opinions. Settlement suits. Motion to dismiss. More opinions, remedies generally. Money damages. Unpublished opinions, injunctive relief. So I guess each area has an unpublished opinion. Then you've got all these research and references and practice aids. Some of them are linked out. That you can go look at this American jurisprudence, trials, proof of facts, commerce law related, I guess, annotations that you could also go out and look at. See what else is there. Okay. There's also this Shepherdized this document. To see if it's still current, and this is pending legislation. Right here, Bank of America Corporation in the city of Miami. What's the date on that? May 2017. So these are some things you also might want to look at where they're mentioning that Fair Housing Act and arguing something. This is, I think, a warning sign. But I was watching earlier from someone else doing a video on this, and they said you can check if the warning is for a certain state, and then if it's not in the state where you are, then you don't really need to worry. Of course, United States Code should be over all the state, but I would still look at it and see what that says. Okay, hope that helps you see how to find the older and the newer of a certain act.